Welcome back. Today is a very cool unboxing that I have. I reached out to RayMar shoes via Instagram when I saw an article in the Shoe Snob blog talking about the new brand, and I wanted to give them a try, but I couldn't figure out how on their website to place an order for the United States, so I reached out to them on Instagram. Chatted a little bit. They said that they're not available for sale in the U.S. yet, but that they would, let me know when they were. And I suggested that, if they wanted the exposure, I could film this video if they sent me a sample. And they remarkably agreed. That not something that they've done before, certainly not something I've done before, but it is a pair of shoes that I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of, and hopefully they may even fit. This is a size 10. I believe it's a size 10 US. Normally a 10 and a half. But they thought that this might be good. It is the largest size they have. So I am going to give it a try. We'll see. So the box is unmarked except for the label here. And here we are. Now, as everybody knows who watches my channel, I love my split toes. And these are a pair of split toes in what looks like a pretty dark brown museum calf. Now, these retail for 36,000 yen, which is the equivalent of just a little bit more than $270. So here's the look here. And it is really, really nice. You can see on the inside there, looks like it's hand lasted, which is nice. And you can see the stitch density on the side there. You can see the brown museum calf when it's this close to the light. Stitch density in the sole is quite nice. Quite well done. There's a little bit of fudging on there. Machine finished, but nice machine finished. And of course, the real trick is, this is museum calf. This is a beautiful, very soft, like Crockett and Jones soft lining. And super, super soft. You've got a consistent sole here, so it's one layer of leather and a nice bevel waist. It's called hand sewn welted, which is hand welted. And you can see that they have that there. Now these have a pretty tapered heel, which is very common in Asian shoes. And the leather, again, is just beautiful. So take that out. They're very well packed. We'll take this here, open here, and again, really nice coloring. It's very dark. And what I want to do is I want to look at this skin stitching. You got your boar bristle brush or boar bristle needle on this stitch. I was reading through the Google Translate of the page on their website, and this is absolutely a very, very well done example of very, very difficult craftsmanship. And this price, $275, is unbelievable value for a hand welted, hand lasted shoe. You can see this is asymmetric and just a gorgeous, gorgeous set of shoes. So you can see there. You can see it's got the curve on it, which is, designed to actually form to your foot while you walk. This is pretty high-end stuff. These are the type of high-end things that you don't usually talk about, right? A lot of folks will talk about, some of the some of the pieces here, but this, I'm shocked. This is really, really nice. Very, very soft. And you can see the museum calf. Sorry, I'm getting the light really close so you can see the coloring. So I'm going to take some pictures of this in the sun. So the cover will be actually a picture from the sun. And as everybody knows, I do these as one take. But I'm very impressed with the shoes. And I really do hope that I can get these on my feet. These are just beautiful, beautiful examples of craftsmanship. Now, you know, one of the things that I've talked about on the channel before is, you know, skiving and how tight do they skive the leather. Now, this is not something I would talk about on a normal pair of shoes in this price range, but the skiving on this is not tremendous. It's not bad, but it does have a pretty good ridge to it, which you wouldn't always see. But again, this is just, it's pretty well done for this style, and definitely for this price point. I'm very interested in seeing how these are. Now, something to keep in mind. When I've purchased shoes from Japanese shoemakers, they've told me that American feet and Japanese feet are not necessarily the same shape. So they usually like have a foreigner's last. They do things different. RayMar does not do that. So I'm not sure how well it's going to fit in the proportions of my feet, but I am interested in trying it out and giving it the old try. So real excited to check these out. And really impressed with the work I see here, both just from a finishing perspective as well as a design perspective. Materials, the finish, it's all very, very good for this $275 or 36,000 yen price point.